So, good afternoon once again to everyone, and welcome to yet another series of Sri Eco View. Our topic for the day is looking into the future. The future belongs to those who believe in the dignity of their dreams and that bring their dreams into the reality. And we have our participants who wants to get their dreams into the reality. Let me introduce them to you. First of all, we have Viraj and Bhaumik, who are our future entrepreneurs.
Hello, I want to be a businessman.
Hello, I also want to be a big businessman.
Great. Then we have Manya, who wants to control the courts of India by giving her judgment.
Hello, I want to be a judge.
Wow, that's really nice, Manya. Then we have Sanvi with us, who wants to make this country a better place to live in by serving our country.
Hello all, I want to be an IPS officer.
That's really nice, Sanvi.
That's wonderful. I can see you all have dressed your part as well.
Yes.
You are already looking what you are already practicing about what you want to be in the future.
Yes.
Yes.
The future generation.
Okay.
Audience.
So the audience also, we are joined by a very learned audience. I can see a lot of children are excited. Would anybody like to share what they have planned for their futures? Just unmute or let us know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mother.
I want to become a cricketer because
Oh,
I play for my country.
you want to play for your country? Wow.
That will really make us proud. I'm sure you will make a good cricketer. Have you started practicing for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, very
that's
nice.
wonderful. Anyone else would like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
Masirat.
I work hard.
What is your dream? What do you want to become?
Hi, I'm Sirat Kolbrat from grade 2. I want to become a doctor because my parents told me that lots of poor and needy people die without treatments. They can't afford expensive treatment. So when I become a doctor, I'll give free treatment to needy and poor people. Today, Miss Pooja Kakkar ma'am told us when you help others, God will bless you. And I always want to be blessed. Thank you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Wonderful.
Masirat, thank you so much.
Thank you. That was really nice of you to share. Anyone else would like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone from the audience, please?
Good afternoon.
That Janvi wants to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
Okay. That's so nice of you. Okay, then. I think, Balvinder ma'am, we are having a lot of professionals in our school when they grow up.
I'm sure we'll have lots of people who are in bigger places and high
Actually.
aspirations they have. Wonderful children. Yes.
Okay, so coming back to our student participants, please tell me why you have chosen this particular field as your career.
I'll tell first.
Okay, Sanvi.
One day, my mother told about Kiran Bedi, the first woman IPS officer, and I was very much inspired by her story. Then I decided instantly to be like her. Oh, wow, Sanvi. For me, it's wine-added quality. My father, who is a very successful businessman, is my inspiration.
Amazing.
Same goes for me. Even my father is my role model.
That's nice. Manya, you have to add something?
My uncle was, but for me, my uncle was held in a false case. So I decided
Okay.
to give justice
What?
to people.
Okay, so you want to serve the true people.
Yes,
That's nice.
Oh, so sad, Mana, to hear this. Even I want my country to be crime-free.
That's a very good thought, Sanvi.
Yes, so is my thinking. As a businessman, I should do good for poor people and this community.
Yes.
Businessmen should always be noble and humble.
Raj, do you want to carry on with your family business only?
Yes, Sanvi, but I want to expand it and take it to the next level. And I
Oh,
will an online portal and an app to promote and sell our products.
But I want to start my new venture. So my parents are
great.
proud of me. I'm not afraid of taking risks.
That's wonderful.
Of course, to be successful, a businessman has to take risks.
So don't take any wrong decision or make any fool, or you will be in trouble. And I will be an IPS officer at that time.
Oh,
Okay.
And I will not save you by giving any wrong judgment.
oh, very truthful judge we are having. Not going to save a friend.
No, very dedicated to our profession. Very dedicated. We need such honest people in the system. Yes.
So Raj and Mohammed, be careful.
Yes, they are definitely going to be careful now.
Yes,
They
Sanvi.
need to be if we are going to have such honest and
IPS
upright
officer and judge with us, we have to be careful.
everybody has to be very, very careful. I will not break any rules, Sanvi. I am sure of that.
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. So we also have now, we'll ask from the audience, what all they have planned to be, and then how do they plan to serve the society? We have heard from our participants. Let's hear from our audience too.
Like Mansirat had already told us that she'll help poor and
Yes,
needy.
ma'am.
Anybody else who want to share? Yes, Adil?
Ma'am, I want my country to become more famous.
Okay. Yes, that's nice. And Madhav is definitely going to make our country famous by playing for the country.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anybody from the first standard?
Ma'am, I become sports person.
Sports person. Wow.
And which sports would you like to play?
The kids.
Yes?
Skating.
Wow.
So you'll bring laurels to our country in Olympics.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay.
Ma'am, my
So-
game football.
Which ball, dear?
Agamveer.
Agamveer. What do you want to do, Agamveer? Connection. No, he is there. Yes, dear?
Football.
Football. Wow. A football player, a skater, everybody is with us.
So we have lots of sports people and lots of children from many other who have decided many other professions.
Messi, Neymar.
What does it say?
Okay.
That's nice.
So yes. Anyone else? Or shall we do? Yes?
Ma'am, Manan.
Yes.
Okay, Manan. Manan, can you repeat?
I want to become a pilot.
Pilot. Oh, wow.
That's nice. That's very, very high aspirations.
I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. Okay.
That's right. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
I will become a businessman.
Businessman. Wow. So we have a lot of businessmen with us.
I want to policeman.
Policeman. Wow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Doctor. Yes.
I want to be chef.
Chef. Oh, good. So, start. What are you going to prepare?
What are you going to
What
prepare?
will you make for us?
Pasta.
Pasta. Oh, that's nice. It's our favorite. Thank you so much. We'll be waiting for you to get pasta for us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So,
I
coming back to our participants. Yes, dear, you want to say something first?
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to be the astronaut.
Astronaut. Wow, great aspiration.
Ma'am, I want to become coder. Game coder.
That's very good. Okay, so we will be talking to our participants for some time now and we'll be coming back to the audience. Okay, tell us, you have dreamed so high and how are you going to achieve your dreams? Are you planning to do something great or have you started planning from now onwards doing something to achieve your goals?
I keep watching interviews of great businessmen so I can learn from them.
Wow.
I will study hard on whole time in civil service and French exam. I also aim to complete my MBA degree from the reputed institute and use my skills in the expansion of my business.
So already you have started planning for your future.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any plans from the audience? Like what you have started planning, how are you going to be the doctor or how you are going to be the pilot? What preparations you have started doing?
Ma'am, my motto is keep working hard silently so that success makes noise.
Great.
you,
Incredible
ma'am.
thought, Mansirat.
Thank you, ma'am. I daily practice
You'll keep practicing. That's good.
Okay.
Yes, I will unmute and speak. Sarvam Jan, you want to say something?
Told you everything.
Okay, you have told me everything, Adil. Sarvam Jan wants to say something.
Motto life. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I will tell you about thought of the day.
Okay, thought of the day. Good. Go ahead.
My motto is life is because when you talk, you are only repeating what you already know.
Yes.
Because, but
Then you
when you
listen.
then you learn something new. Thank you.
Right. So everybody should learn how to listen.
So today, definitely, we are listening to a lot of suggestions and a lot of children who are telling us their aspirations.
And so we are learning more from them.
Definitely, we have learned a lot.
Because if we'll keep on speaking, we'll be repeating the thing what we are already knowing. And now we are listening to our participants. They're telling us so much new things and we are learning from them. And even from you people. You're teaching us something new every day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So now we are having with us our director, Ma'am Anchal. She'll be addressing all of you. So please be patient and we'll listen to her.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And greetings, dear parents and students. What a heartwarming session. It just fills me with pride to hear my students speak about what they want to become in the future. And look at all the professions we have. We have a judge, IPS officer. We have ethical businessmen, so many sports person. Wow. the future of our country really seems bright to me now, because all these children are going to grow up and make us proud, make our country proud. Hats off to you, dear parents, for encouraging your children to actually come up with such aspirations and dreams and giving their dreams wings to fly. So this is something that I really thank you for helping your children grow. And we at Shriram Global School have always believed in innovation. That is the reason that amidst this pandemic, we have come up with these talk series where the children share their view with us. You know, they tell us what is going on in their mind. They discuss the various topics that are currently making rounds in the world. And they're all aware of it. I mean, I'm so surprised that I am also, you know, at somewhere, I also don't think that will my child become an astronaut? Will my child become a pilot? But they already have that path planned. They know how to go about it. They're already listening to the interviews. They have their role models with them. Hats off, kudos to them. And another thing that we started at Shriram Global is the talk series, which I'm sure you all are aware of, where the teachers, you know, they speak to the experts in various fields. They bring you the latest knowledge, and it gets grown. So we at Shriram Global School are always about growing. That is the only thing that keeps us motivating. And another good news that I wanted to share with all the parents is that we'll be starting off our next academic session in our new building at South City. We know that there were some delays. And, we thank you, parents, for always supporting us, for being our backbone. It is because of you that we have managed to overcome all the barriers that came our way. It took us a lot of time to actually secure the government permits and permissions. And you know that due to the pandemic, most of the government offices were closed last year, and we did not want to do anything illegal. That is the reason our construction was very slow, but now it is on full swing, and it's a promise that next academic session, all these wonderful children will be in their new school building. And for this, I will always be grateful to my parents who have always supported us, and I believe that you will keep supporting us in the future also. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your the thoughts. And we are also joined by Miss Nandita, our educational advisor. So, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. It was such a lovely, experience to listen to these children, 6, 7 years old, talking about their future. So usually, we have teachers and parents who talk about children's future, that this is what you will become when you grow old. Imagine how aware our prideens are that they have already started thinking about their profession. Now, it's not about what profession they choose, but it's about the willingness and the awareness about what profession they really want to get into. We all know that now their dreams will change. Today they want to become doctor, tomorrow they want to become a comedian artist, and then day after they want to become an animator, right? But the whole idea is about awareness that what I want in my life has already started with these children, right? So it's such a delight to hear them. Last time they spoke about a very interesting global issue, and I'm so happy to see these children not just talking about it, but they're aware about the intensity of the issues that we are picking up. So hats off to all the teachers who are making these children think in this direction, because that is the need of the hour. I also am really grateful to have the kind of parents that these children have, the way you're contributing and collaborating with the school team to deliver that we are delivering today. And I can only see from here, I can only see a lot of innovation happening in the school, a lot of development happening in these children's life. And when we talk about overall development, this is what we are talking about. We see that in children actually happening, taking place every day. So I'm really delighted to have this experience. It's also a learning experience for me to see these children, talking with such confidence. So a lovely experience for me, and thank you everyone for letting me a part of this session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
All the
ma'am.
best. You're doing a very good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
For the
Thank you,
future.
Nandita ma'am, for your really enlightening words. We are definitely gaining so much from you. And thank you, dear students and the parents, for
Thank you, ma'am.
contributing your precious time. We are really delighted to have you people here. Yes,
In the-
Tanvi, you want to add something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
In the end, I would like to say that nothing is impossible. One should try harder and harder.
Okay, so we should keep working hard to achieve our goal, and nothing is impossible then.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
nice, Tanvi. A very good thought.
Tanvi, I would also like to add, set your goals high and don't stop till you get there.
Wow. Very good thoughts we are getting from our students. We are really learning from them. Thank you so much, dear students, for imparting such a good knowledge to even us. Thank you, everyone. It was really a
Thank you,
delightful
ma'am.
session. We really enjoyed it, and I hope everybody enjoyed it as much as we did. Yes, Sarvam?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome, dear. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Madhav.